Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to generate the errors and the mismatch report while importing the data. First, go to GST returns, click on GSTR1 button, select the client, the month. Now go to fill forms, click on get R1, click on get data. Enter the captcha. Click on process. Please wait. The data is imported successfully. Now here you can see in the red color invalid data is showing. If you want to resolve this error through your Excel, then you can click on export errors and can resolve the errors through the Excel and then can again import through Excel. And if you want to resolve these errors through the software, then you just have to select the option, deselect this import valid records and click on import. This is how the import is complete. Click on OK. This is how you can resolve the errors which are generated while importing the data. Thank you.